when you try to do these kind of adjustments, the final objective is for your customer to receive the product as close as possible to the original. So you need to start doing all kinds of testing first, replacing the ingredients, verifying the amount that you need to use, verifying the final result of your mixing and your product, and doing all kinds of quality controls. That takes a lot of time and a lot of energy that your R&D team needs to do. Then once you start upscaling your production, you need to go from a pilot plant all the way to a manufacturing facility. You will need to start very slow producing until you really recalibrate all your equipment, and that will reduce your throughput. So in the end, it will take a lot of time, energy, cost, and yield out of your standard manufacturing process.